Friends, okay, so good morning everyone, and welcome to the solution of model paper 2. Okay, so as you all know, we are solving the model question papers. Quickly, all of you can join the class so that we can start solving of our question papers. Clear? Already yesterday we have completed model paper 1, that was from our 2019. I think 2019 June I have solved in the previous model paper. Okay, now I am going to take 2020 model question paper so that we can see and analyze what are the questions are going to be repeated, and what will be the percentage of the repetition of the question paper to question paper, and how many question papers can be repeated, how many questions can be repeated from the previous year. Okay, that all we can discuss in model paper 2. Good morning to everyone. I think all of you are safe and fine. Please be safe and be at home. Follow the rules of lockdown. Follow the classes. If you follow my JEE Maths Mantra, you can see complete course of Karnataka PUC board. Okay, because all the chapters and all the theory chapters videos are also present, and you have PYQs, that is previous year questions from JEE mains, and you have live mock test. Okay, so you have so many number of different things that you can need, or with that you can grow in your second year syllabus as well as second year knowledge. Okay, so that's why please go through my channel, watch as much as possible for you, because all theory preparation and JEE mains preparation live mock test are also available, and from yesterday I have started to solve previous year questions from JEE mains, that is from limits. Okay, so all I have covered in my one channel, that is JEE Maths Mantra, so you can go through it. So if you like it, you can click the like button, and who are not yet subscribed, you can subscribe the channel so that you can get the notification whenever I will be live. Okay, so let us start solving the model question paper, that is March 2020. So I am taking a sequence. In a sequence I am taking just because we can do some research on the question papers. Which type of research? How many percent of the questions are going to be repeated? What are the questions repeated from the previous year? That all we can discuss here. Okay, so that's why there must be some format whenever you are studying. So please follow these videos in one format. Okay, now you all know that there will be part C, part A, part B, part C, part D, and part E. That is all about your 5 parts. Clear? So now you can just go through part E. Compulsory you have to write A, B from one question. Okay, now let us go for part A. Okay, so see this part A, question number 1. What they are asking, let star be the binary operation. So they are saying that star is a binary operation. Let star be the binary operation on natural numbers. Okay, that means here A comma B are natural numbers. A star B is defined as LCM of A and B. LCM of A and B. That means now 5 star 7 is going to be equal to LCM of 5 and 7. Okay, that is nothing but equal to 35. Clear? So the LCM of 5 and 7 is going to be 35. Very simple question, no problem. Here you can just see they have asked the LCM of A and B. That means LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. Clear? Very simple question. Now we can go for the second problem, that is the range of the function y equal to sec inverse x. So the range of y equal to sec inverse x is a closed interval 0 comma pi minus singleton set pi by 2. Why? Because at pi by 2 sec is not defined. At pi by 2 sec is not defined, so that's why we have to remove that pi by 2 from closed interval 0 comma pi. Okay, so this will be the range of y equal to sec inverse x, no problem, that is closed interval 0 comma pi minus singleton set pi by 2. Okay, now we can go for the third problem. You just see the third problem, that is if A is matrix has 5 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? So all of you know that the possible orders has to be written in the form of possible orders has to be written in the form of 5 cross 1 and 1 cross 5. So these are the possible orders. Okay, so if they give any another number, you just do decompose that particular number. So from that you can write the orders of any another number, no problem. Here 5 is prime number, we can only decompose it in the form of 5 cross 1. So therefore 5 cross 1 and 1 cross 5 are the two possible orders that we can write if we have 5 elements. Clear? Now we can go for the fourth problem. See the fourth problem, that is find the value of x if x to 18x is equal to 6 to 18 6. Okay, so both side you have determinants. X into x will be x square minus 18 into 2 will be 36. So 6 into 6 will be 36, 18 into 2 will be 36. Clear? So 36 minus 36 is 0. Therefore x square is going to be equal to 36. X is going to be equal to plus or minus 6. X is going to be equal to plus or minus 6. So quickly, all of you are following, all of you are understanding the problems. Quickly give me the thumbs, smiles, and give me some positive note so that I can also understand that you are following the class, and I can get some interest that if you are understanding the problem, it will be very easy for me to go for the next questions. So quickly tell me, all of you, are you understanding the problems? If you have any doubts in these 4 questions, you can ask, no problem. So all 4 questions are very simple. So if you have any doubts, you can ask any doubts of these 4 questions. Otherwise, quickly give me the thumbs so that we can go for the next class, sorry, next problem. Okay, very good, very good. So then we can go for problem number 5. That is, if y equal to tan into root x, find dy by dx. So no problem. Here you have to apply chain rule. Here you have to apply chain rule. So that is dy by dx equal to differentiation of tan is secant squared x root x into d by dx of root x. What is differentiation of root x? 1 by 2 root x. So therefore secant square root x into 1 by 2 root x. Okay, so therefore the answer is going to be secant square root x divided by 2 root x. So this will be your answer. Okay, so please remember the differentiation of root x is going to be 1 by 2 root x. If you have any doubt, you just go through x to the power of n formula, that is d by dx of x to the power of 1 by 2. So that you can just see 1 by 2 into x to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1, that is going to be nothing but 1 by 2 x to the power of minus 1 by 2. So that is nothing but 1 by 2 root x. Clear? So don't waste time here by writing all this. You just directly write differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Okay. Now we can go for the next problem, that is 6th one. Integration of 2x square plus e raised to x into dx. Okay, so you can just see here, integration of 2x square is nothing but 2 constant x to the power of 3 divided by 3. Okay, so directly I have written it, no problem. So integration of x square is x to the power of 3 divided by 3. Just see, 2 is constant, x to the power of 3 divided by 3 plus integration of e raised to x is e raised to x. Okay, so e raised to x plus c. Clear? Very simple problem. Okay, integration of x square, small kid also can do this. X cube divided by 3, integration of e raised to x is e raised to x, no problem. Okay, and you go for 7th problem. What is that? Define a negative vector. Negative vector means, see, the vector of same magnitude of given vector but in the opposite direction, is called what? Negative vector. Okay, the vector of the same magnitude of the given vector but in the opposite direction is called negative vector. Very simple definition, no problem. And you can go for the 8th question, that is 90 degree, 135 degree and 45 degree. So all of you know that cos 90 is 1 and cos 135 you have to simplify. Cos 135 is what? Cos 90 plus 45, and on the same way cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Okay, so no problem. You just see here, solution of problem number 8, that is find the angles. Sorry, if the line making an angles 90 degree, 135 degree, 45 degree with x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, find the direction cosines. That is cos 90 degree is equal to L, cos 135 degree is equal to M, cos 45 degree is equal to N. Okay, so therefore L will be equal to cos 90 is 0 and cos 135 degree you can write it as cos of 90, or sorry, 180 minus 45, cos of 180 minus 45. You just check, cos of 135 you can write it as cos of 180 minus 45 degree, so that will be 135 degree. So therefore cos of 180 minus 45 degree is nothing but minus cos 45 degree, that is minus 1 by root 2. On the same way n is equal to cos 45 degree, that is 1 by root 2. Okay, so L is 0, M is minus 1 by root 2 and N is 1 by root 2. So these are your direction cosines. Okay, so you can check if you have doubt about 135, 180 minus 45, 5, 8 minus 5 is 3, 135. Okay, no problem. Clear? Now we can go for problem number 9, that is optimal solution. So while writing the definitions, be careful because there will be more number of chances to remove the marks in the form of definition. If you want to get 100, you have to write the definitions clean and clearly. Okay, if a single mistake happens in the definition, definitely you are not going to a single mark. Are you getting my point? So while writing the definitions, you have to be crystal clear. So how much crystal clarity you are going to maintain in the definitions, that much accurately you are going to get 100. So that's why don't take risk with definitions. Try to write the textbook language. Whenever you are writing definitions. Okay, so they are asking the optimal solution in the linear programming problem. So the optimal solution is a feasible solution A feasible solution, take care of the spellings also. A feasible solution which leads to the optimal values, okay. Take care of your spellings. So I also has a very bad habit of writing wrong spellings, okay. A feasible solution which leads to the optimal values of the objective function of the objective function is known as optimal solution, So why I am taking this much of patience with this definition? Because if you are following my channel, you have to be in pluser side. That means you have to be in positive side, okay. So if I write a definition in my own words, that will be not good. It should be textbook language. So if you want to get 100 in mathematics, please maintain the textbook language of feasible region or any definition they ask. So you go through the definitions that have given in your NCERT textbook, okay. You maintain that language. Otherwise, you write now what I have given. Clear? A feasible solution which leads to the optimal values of the objective function is known as optimal solution, okay. So be careful regarding the definitions. Definitely in vectors, 3D and LPP, they can ask definition. In the relation function also, these are the 4 chapters where they can ask the definition. So that's why please make perfect, okay. Read NCERT textbook definitions. That will be very good to get 100, I am telling. Now let us go for the 10th one. If P of A is 3 by 5, if P of B is 1 by 5, now P of A intersection B, if A and B are independent events. We know that P of A intersection B is going to be equal to P of A into P of B if A and B are two independent events. So that is 3 by 5 into 1 by 5 is equal to 3 by 25. This is your answer, okay. Because A and B are two independent events. So that's why 3 by 5 into 1 by 5. Because if two events A and B are independent means you have to be careful. The formula is P of A into P of B. So therefore it is going to be 3 by 5 into 1 by 5, that is equal to 3 by 25. Clear? Okay. So now quickly we can jump for problem number 11, that is from part B. Okay. So you just see the problem number 11. That is set A equal to set of 1, 2, 3 and find the number of relations containing 1, 2 and 1, 3 which are reflexive, symmetric but not transitive, okay. So here you have to write the number of relations. Please be careful. This type of problems are little bit tricky. You have to go very patiently here because they have given the set, they have given some two order pairs and they are telling you have to write the number of relations, not a relation, number of relation, 1, either 2 or 3. That means how many number of relations are possible such that 1, 2 and 1, 3 should be in relation and which is reflexive, symmetric but not transitive, okay. So in this type of solutions, my dear students, first you write the relation containing these two order pairs, that is 1, 2 and 1, 3, okay. Next you write the other order pairs which are going to be reflexive and symmetric. First you write these two order pairs, and now satisfy the condition. What is that condition? It should be reflexive and symmetric. So should be reflexive means 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 must be present, and it also must be symmetric means you just see if 1, 2 is present, 2, 1 must be also present, 1, 3 is present means 3, 1 also must be present. So now see here, it is reflexive as well as symmetric. It is reflexive as well as symmetric. If you want to check transitivity, don't worry about 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. You just check with 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1. So 1, 2, here you have one order pair 2, 1. So 1, 2, 2, 1 present means 1, 1 should be present. So here you can just see 1, 1 is present. That means it is transitive. 1, 3 is present, 3, 1 is present. So 1, 1 is present, no problem. Okay. So but you see here 2, 2 is present, 2, 2 is present, 2, 2 is present, and you can just see with starting element 2, 1 is present. So 2, 1 is also present. That means again it is transitive. Are you getting my point? But what we have to write? We have to write which is symmetric and transitive, which is symmetric and transitive, sorry, which is symmetric and reflexive but not transitive. What I will do? I will put one more order pair here in such a way that see here 2, 2 is present. I will put 2, 2 is present, 2, 1 is present, no problem. So now what I will do? I will write 3, 2. I will write 3, 2. So now you can check that 3, 3, 3, 2. So 2, 1, 3, 1. Okay, you just check it. 3, 1, 3, 2. Okay, no problem. 3, 3, 3, 2. So 3, should be present. So no problem. On the same way, you just see here 1, 3, 3, 2. So if 1, 3 and 3, 2 is present means 1, 2 must be present. So 1, 2 is already there. So therefore it is going to be transitive. So give me 1 minute because these types of problems are a little bit tricky. I will solve it. So that is, you have to write reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. Reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. Okay. So first let us write these two order pairs. First let us write these two order pairs, that is 1, 2 and another one is 1, 3. So now it should be reflexive 1, 1, 2, 2 and this is 3, 3. It should be symmetric means 2, 1 and 3, 1 must present, no problem. So now you just see now I has to make it as non-transitive. Now I has to make it as non-transitive. To make it as non-transitive, I will write one more order pair here. Otherwise, you can check non-transitive. It is going to be non-transitive or not. See 2, 2, 2, 1, it will be transitive, no problem. 3, 1, 3, 3. So 3, 1 is there, no problem. If I write 2, 3, what happens? Let us see. 2, 2, 2, 3. 2, 2, 2, 3. So 2, 3 must be present. 2, 3 is present. So don't worry about it. 1, 2, 2, 3. So 1, 2 and 2, 3. See here 1, 3 should be present. So 1, 3 is present. No problem. On the same way, if I write, it should be non-transitive. Okay. No problem. You just see if I write 3, 2. You just see 3, 2. Okay. So 3, 2. If I take 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 3, 2. 1, 2 is present. 3, 3, 3, 2. 3, 2 is present. That means this is also not possible. Okay, I will add one more pair for this. I will add one more pair for this, that is, if 3 comma 2 is present, 2 comma 3 must be present, then only it will be what? Symmetric. Okay, otherwise it is not going to be symmetric. So by saying non-transitive, we should give an example. By saying non-transitive, we should give example. Search that example. Clear? See, here we have 1 comma 3, 3 comma 1, 1 comma 1 is present. 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, 1 comma 1 is present. You just go for 1 comma 3, no problem. 3 comma 1, 3 comma 1 and 1 comma 2. You just see 3 comma 1 and 1 comma 2. 3 comma 1 and 1 comma 2. If I take 3 comma 1 and 1 comma 2, 3 comma 2 must be present, but 3 comma 2 is not present in this. 3 comma 2 is not present in this. Therefore, this is not going to be transitive. Therefore, this is not going to be transitive. Very good. Okay. So now you just see here the important thing is how many number of relations. How many number of relations. So for that you just go through one more set, that is your A cross B. How many A cross B are going to be present? 3 into 3, 9. Okay, that is 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2. So check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So next you can write 3 comma 1 and 1 comma 3. Okay. So totally 9 order pairs are going to be present. Totally 9 order pairs. Maximum order pairs are 9. That means we can write 9 maximum order pairs in A cross B. That we can write 9 maximum order pairs in A cross B. You check here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the remaining order pairs are 2, 3 and 3, 2. So here what happens, if you add these two in this set, it will be all symmetric, reflexive as well as transitive. Are you getting my point? We are remaining with only 2 order pairs. If I add these 2 order pairs in this set, it is going to have all 9 order pairs and it is going to be reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So what we need? We need reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. So what happens here? We can write only one order pair. We can write only one order pair. Are you getting my point? Why? Because if I add these two remaining order pairs in this, it is going to be reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So that is not possible. Therefore, we can write only these 7 order pairs. With these 7 order pairs, we can write only one relation, which is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So here our answer is 1. Therefore, the answer is we can write only one order pair. Clear? Please be careful. In exam, they can ask this type of problems. Clear? So there what we have to do? We have to be careful with A cross B. In A cross B, we have 9 order pairs. In A cross B, we have 9 order pairs. We can't take more than 9. We have to utilize out of this 9. Okay. So here already we got 7. We can't write remaining 2 because it is not going to be transitive. Okay. Quickly tell me, all of you, have you understood this or not? Have you understood this or not? Quickly tell me. If you have understood this, we can go for the next problem. Otherwise, cleanly I will explain it again. Because here also you should have the clear picture of this problem. Here also you must have clear picture of this problem. Okay. Quickly tell me, have you understood this? All has to reply because this problem is little bit tricky. So that's why I am asking. What about others? Only 1 or 2 are replying. Here we have to write reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. Okay. So it has to be reflexive, symmetric but not transitive means we can add 7 order pairs. We can't write all 9. We have maximum 9. Out of that 9 we can write only 7, such that it is reflexive, symmetric but not transitive. Okay, so quickly we can go for problem number 12. Quickly we can go for problem number 12. See this, that is cos inverse of 1 by 2, cos inverse of 1 by 2 plus 2 times of sin inverse of 1 by 2. So here you can just see cos inverse of 1 by 2 is pi by 3 plus 2 times of sin inverse of 1 by 2 is pi by 6. So therefore if you simplify this, pi by 3 plus pi by 3, that will be equal to 2 pi by 3. Please remember, this is repeated from previous year. That means now we are with one question. So that is problem number 12. I will circle what are the questions are repeated from previous year question paper. That means at the end of this question paper, we can see how many questions are repeated from the previous year. How many questions are repeated from the previous year? Clear? So answer is 2 pi by 3. Answer is 2 pi by 3. Okay. Quickly we can go for problem number 13. Quickly we can go for problem number 13. That is, find the area of triangle using the points -2, -3, 3, 2 and -1, -8. See, this also repeated from the previous year. This is also repeated from the previous year. Okay. I think mostly order pairs must be different. Order pairs must be different. That's all. Only the order pairs are going to be different. So that's why you can write x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Okay. This is equal to area of triangle. Area of triangle. Clear? So therefore 1 by 2 into this term. 1 by 2 is present or not in the area of triangle? Quickly tell me. Don't get confused. Determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. I has to write 1 by 2 or not here? Quickly tell me. I want answer from your side. I has to write 1 by 2 here or not? How many will answer this? I will see. Because some of you write 1 by 2, some of you not write 1 by 2. So what is answer? We should write 1 by 2 or we should not write 1 by 2. So therefore area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 into this. You can just simplify it as x1 is -2, -3, 1. Here we write 3, 2, 1. Here we write -1, -8, 1. Very good. So now this will be equal to 1 by 2 into determinant of -2. -2 into 2 into 2 is 2. -8, minus into minus is +8. -2 into 2 into 1 is 2. -8 into 1 is -8. Minus into minus is +8. Write minus sign. You have -3. Minus into minus will be +3. 3 into 1 is 3. Write minus sign. -1 into 1 is -1, +1. Okay. Write +1 into 3 into -8 is -24. Write minus sign. -1 into 2 is -2. Minus into minus is +2. Okay. So now 1 by 2 into -2 into 10 plus 3 into 4 plus 1 into -24 plus 2 -22. Okay. So 1 by 2 into -20 plus 12 -22. Okay. So answer is 1 by 2 into -42 plus 12. So 0, 3. That is -30. So we have mod for this. Therefore 15 square units. Therefore 15 square units is our answer. Because area should be written in the mod. So that's why please remember area is going to be 15 square units. Don't write -15. Okay. Answer is 15 square units. Clear? Okay. Quickly we can go for problem number 14. So all of you quickly give me thumbs, smiles, everything if you are following the class. If you are understanding the problem, quickly give me thumbs, smiles and smiley faces if you are following the class. Okay. So 14th one, find dy by dx if sin square x plus cos square y equal to 1. So differentiate this. Differentiation of sin x is what? 2 sin x d by dx of sin x plus 2 cos y into d by dx of cos y equal to 0. Here you can just see 2 sin x into cos x plus here you can just see 2 cos y. Differentiation of cos y is minus sin y into dy by dx equal to 0. Okay. So therefore you can write it as you can write it as nothing but you can write here sin 2x minus here you can write sin 2y. Okay. So 2 cos y, this is sin y, that means minus sin 2y into dy by dx equal to 0. Therefore dy by dx is going to be equal to sin 2x divided by sin 2y. Minus and minus sign will get cancelled. It is going to be sin 2x divided by sin 2y. This will be your answer. Okay. Differentiation of sin square x is 2 sin x cos x. Differentiation of cos square y is 2 cos y minus sin y. Okay. So this can be written as sin 2y. This can be written as sin 2x. Answer is going to be sin 2x divided by sin 2y. Sin 2x divided by sin 2y. Clear? Okay. Quickly we can go for problem number 15. If y equal to x to the power of x, find dy by dx. Okay, very simple problem. Here log y is equal to log x raised to x. I am applying log on both sides. So this will be log y equal to x into log x. This will be 1 by y into dy by dx. Here you just see u into v rule. X into differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus log x as it is. Differentiation of x is 1. Okay. So dy by dx into y x you can get cancel 1 plus log x. What is y? So dy by dx will be equal to x raised to x into 1 plus log x. Clear? So this is your answer. Any doubts in this? From 11 to 15. From 11th problem to 15th problem. If you have any doubts, you can quickly ask. If you have any doubts, you can quickly ask. No problem. From problem number 11 to 15. Very simple problem. Apply log on both sides. Differentiate. While differentiating, be careful. You have to apply product rule. So 1 by y dy by dx equal to x as it is. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus log x as it is. Differentiation of x is 1. Okay. So dy by dx is equal to y times of 1 plus log x. So y is nothing but x to the power of x 1 plus log x. Clear? Quickly I will go for problem number 16. Some of my students also write this problem number 16 more than one page. Don't write more than one page. This is very simple problem. Okay. X is equal to a to the power of sin inverse t. Y is equal to a to the power of root of a to the power of cos inverse t. I have seen some of you writing more than one page in this. Don't write more than one page. It is very simple problem. X into x is xy equal to, if I multiply this two, it will be a to the power of sin inverse t plus cos inverse t. Okay. So sin inverse t plus cos inverse t is nothing but pi by 2. So xy is going to be equal to a to the power of pi by 2. Now you can differentiate on both sides. You can apply u into v rule. So that is going to be x into dy by dx plus y. Differentiation of x is 1. On the LHS, differentiation of this term is 0. So now x into dy by dx, x into dy by dx, x into dy by dx equal to minus y, and dy by dx is going to be equal to minus y by x. That is our required answer. So quickly tell me, very simple problem. You have x and y, you just multiply x and y, x into y will be xy, multiply this to a to the power of sin inverse t plus cos inverse t, that will be a to the power of pi by 2, by using trigonometry, inverse trigonometric formula, that will be sin inverse t plus cos inverse t is pi by 2. So you can differentiate on both sides. This term is going to be 0, x as it is dy by dx plus y as it is, differentiation of x is 1. So x into dy by dx is equal to minus y, dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Okay, now we can go for problem number 17. So you just see problem number 17. Find the intervals in which the function f given by f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 6 is strictly increasing. Very good. So I think this question is also repeated in the previous question paper. Also they have given one question of this type, but problem was same, function was different. Problem was same, function was different. Okay, so now you can calculate f dash of x, that is nothing but your dy by dx equal to what? 2x minus 4. So equate dy by dx is equal to 0. 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 4. X will be equal to 2. Quickly you can draw wavy curve from minus infinity to plus infinity. You just see your root is 2. Function is positive. So you have to draw wavy curve. Here it is positive. Here it is negative. From minus infinity to 2, it is negative. That means dy by dx is lesser than or equal to 0. From 2 to positive infinity, dy by dx is greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, strictly increasing in open interval 2 comma infinity. Strictly increasing open interval 2 comma infinity. Okay, so here it is strictly decreasing. Here it is strictly decreasing. If they ask decreasing, you can write that interval, no problem. Clear? Now we can go for problem number 18. That is, find integration of cot x log of sin x with respect to dx. So here you must know substitution method. That is, put log of sin x as t. So if I differentiate, this will be 1 by sin x into cos x equal to dt by dx. Cos by sin is cot x into dx will be equal to dt. So therefore I will write cot x dx as dt and log of sin x as t into dt. So t square by 2 plus c. What is t? Log of sin x whole square. Log of sin x whole square divided by 2 plus c. This is your answer. Okay. So now here you have to go through these questions. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Clear? I will go for problem number 20. Find the order and degree of d square y by dx square to the power of 3 plus dy by dx whole square plus sin of dy by dx plus 1 equal to 0. So as you all know, here order is 2. Order is to degree. Degree is not defined. Degree is not defined because sin of dy by dx is present. If sin of dy by dx is present, degree is not defined. Why? Because sin of dy by dx is a series of differentiation of sine function. A series of differentiation of sine function, that is that will come in your engineering or higher level mathematics. That there you can learn it, no problem. Here let us don't waste time about it. So that's why here degree not defined, order is 2. Degree not defined, but the order is 2. Okay, very good. So quickly tell me problem number 16 to 20. Any doubts? If you have any doubts, problem number 16 to 20 you can ask. If you have any doubts from problem number 16 to 20, you can ask. Otherwise, we can go for the next problem. So you just see problem number 21. Okay. Find the projection of the vector I cap. So I will take it as A. I cap plus 3j cap plus 7k cap, and vector B 7i cap minus j cap plus 8k cap. Okay, so now we have to find the projection of vector A on vector B is given by vector A dot vector B divided by mod of vector B. So that is, what is vector A? I cap plus 3j cap plus 7k cap dot with 7i cap minus j cap plus 8k cap. So divided by mod of B. What is mod of B? 7 square is 49, minus 1 square is plus 1, plus 8 square is 64. Okay, so 50 plus 64, that is 114. I cap dot 7i cap is 7, 3j cap minus j cap is minus 3, 7k cap plus 8k cap is plus 56 divided by root of 114. So you can just say 56 plus 7 is 43. 43 minus 3 is 40 divided by root of 114. Just you can factorize and see, is there any possible for cancellation? No, so no problem. 40 by root of 114. Okay, here you are going to get 3 into 1, 3 into 9, so no problem, not cancelable. So 40 by root of 114 is our answer. Clear? 56 plus 7 is how much? Other here only you can just see 7 minus 3, so it is 7 minus 3 is 4, 4 plus 56 is 60. Okay, sorry, here you are going to get 60. How I did this? Just 56, 7 minus 3 is 4, 4 plus 56 is 60. Okay, sorry for that. So when we get overconfidence, we do like this. When we get overconfidence, we do like this, no problem. 7 minus 3 is 4, 4 plus 56 is 60. Clear? So 60 by root of 114. Clear? No problem. So now we can go for problem number 22. What is problem number 22? Find the area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given. Okay. So area of a parallelogram is equal to mod of vector A cross vector B. So I think this is also repeated. This is also repeated, mod of A cross B. I think yesterday in the previous question paper we have solved this. Clear? Okay. Find the area of parallelogram. We have already solved this. Okay. No problem. Here, what is the answer? A cross B. First we shall find A cross B. That is equal to determinant of I cap j cap, k cap. What is first row? 1, minus 1, 3. 2, minus 7, 1. Now I cap into minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 plus 21. Minus j cap into 1 into 1 is 1 minus 6. Plus k cap into 1 into minus 7 is minus 7 plus 2. So 20 I cap plus 5 j cap minus 5 k cap. 1 minus 6 is minus 5, minus into minus is plus 5. So minus 5 k cap. Okay. Now mod of a cross b is equal to square root of 20 square, that is 400. Okay. 5 square, that is 25. Minus 5 square, that is 25. 450. So you can write 450 as okay, you can just simplify 450. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 5. Here you can write 5 into 4, 20. 5 into 5, 5 into 9. So you can write it as 5 root 18. You can write it as 5 root 18. No problem. So here 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 1 is 3. Or you can write it as 3 root 5 into 5 is 25 into 50. 3 root 50. Either you write it as 3 root 50 or 5 root 18. You are going to get the right answer. Okay. You can just see 50 into 9 is 450. You can just see 18 into 25 is 450. Okay. You write 5 root 8 or 3 root 50. Both are right answers. Clear? So now let us go for problem number 23. Find the equation of the plane with the intercepts. Find the equation of the plane with the intercepts 2, 3, 4 on x, y and z axis. On x, y and z axis. So we know that intercept form of the plane is x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1. So here given that a is 2, b is 3, c is 4, you can use it because 2, 3, 4 are the intercepts of x, y, z. So therefore x by 2 plus 3 by 3, sorry, x by 2 plus y by 3, x by 2 plus y by 3 plus z by 4 equal to 1. So now you can just simplify it by taking LCM. So by taking LCM, you can just see it is going to be 2, 3, 4. You can just simplify. LCM is 2, 3, 4. Here 2. So 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 2 is 12. Multiply it with 6. Multiply it with 4. Multiply it with 3. So that is 6x plus 4y plus 3z equal to 12. So you can take common and simplify. That will be, if I take 2 as common, it will be, okay. So 3z, we can't take 2 as common, no problem. So 6x plus 4y plus 3z equal to 1 is our answer. So this is the equation, okay. 6x plus 4y plus 3z equal to 12. So here you must know it is LCM. You just check 2 into 3 into 4. LCM is 2 into 1, 3, 2 into 2. So 3 into 2 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12. 12 is going to be LCM. Someone given 24 as LCM. So quickly check it, all of you. LCM is 12 or 24? Simple question. I think LCM is 12. How you are telling it is 24? So just check it. Answer will be 6x plus 4y plus 3z equal to 12. All of you quickly check the LCM and reply me. What is the LCM of this? We have done so many big problems, but we are stuck in LCM. Just to check the LCM. Some of you given it as 24. So all of you check it. Very good. So don't be confused. LCM is 12 here. Okay. Now we can go for problem number 24. Now we can go for problem number 24. Two coins are tossed. Two coins are tossed. That means number of sample space is equal to HH, HT, TH, TT. Okay. This is number of sample space. So now what they are asking, probability of E such that F is given. Okay. What is E? No tail appears. No tail appears. What is F? No head appears. No head appears. Okay. So that means no tail appears. I will write set E. What is set E? No tail appears. It is HH. No head appears. It is TT. Okay. F is TT. What is P? Such that P, probability of E such that F is given, P of E intersection F divided by P of F. So here P of F is 1 by 4. If you see E intersection F, here E intersection F is empty set. So probability of E intersection F is 0. Okay. So now you can just see 0 by 1 by 4 is nothing but 0. This also was asked in the previous question paper, that is 2019. This was also asked in the previous question paper, that is 2019. You just check it. Okay. Answer is 0. Probability of E such that F is given. They are asking probability of E such that F is given. Don't be confused. Probability of F is no head appears. No head appears means we have only one choice, that is T comma T. No tail appears, that means only we have only one sample space, that is H comma H. Okay. So here you see no head appears. That means in your sample space there must be no head. Here you have head, here you have head, here you have head. So T comma T, only one. Next E, no tail appears. You just see no tail appears. Here there is a tail, here there is a tail, here there is a tail. Only H comma H. Now intersection, that means intersection from E and F. See, both are different elements. So that's why this is going to be empty. We know that P, probability of E such that F is given, means probability of E intersection F divided by probability of F. Here you can see probability of E intersection F is 0. 0 by anything is 0. Therefore your answer is 0. Okay. So this is your question number 24. Clear? Okay. So I think 1 hour may over. Yes. So quickly, all of you understood the problems. We are at the end of our session. No problem. So today one of the tricky problem is our relations. Be very careful regarding our relation problem. Okay. So the relation problem was little bit tricky. So be careful regarding this problem. This type of problems are given in which book? That is R.D. Sharma, or okay, in R.D. Sharma it may be present, and G.K. Rangnath. In G.K. Rangnath also these problems are present. Number of relations. R.D. Sharma and G.K. Rangnath. If you have, you can just watch. Okay. Sorry, if you have, you can just read it. No problem. So from this tricky problem, they can ask sometime this type of problem. This was really very interesting and tricky problem. This was, I feel, in part A and part B, this is the tricky problem. Other all problems are very easy and you may easily understand them. So go through this video. All of you share the video as much as possible, and who all are new to this channel, subscribe and click the like button, and in the evening I will go for part C. In the evening 7 p.m. I will go for part C. Okay. Regularly please attend the classes, don't miss. Regularly please attend the classes, don't miss. And you can just see from part A to part B here, this was also repeated. Question number 4. I seen this question also in the previous question paper, that is 2019. The numbers were different but problem was same. Okay, 1 and you can see here 12th question, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 questions from part A and part B are repeated. Taking part A and part B, 5 questions are repeated. That means you just see, if you solve the previous year 1 or 2 or 3 year question papers, you can score more than 50. If you just solve previous year and that 2 years question papers. For example, you are writing in 2021, 2020 and 2019. Minimum 2 question papers you solve. You will get more than 35 or 40. So each year there will be two questions. One in March, another one in June. One in March and another one in June. So you solve all those 2 question papers. 2020 2 question papers, 2019 2 question papers, 2018 2 question papers. Definitely you can score more than 60 or 70 if by solving the question papers only. So my dear students, by solving the question papers, one thing you remember, psychologically you are going to be strong. You will not get fear if you see the question paper. Some of the students, they will get preparation, they will do everything, but when they enter into exam hall, when they see question paper, they start to get fearness in their mind. Okay, to avoid that fearness, you solve number of question papers. Go to previous year question papers and solve them. Minimum 5 to 6 question papers. Psychologically you will be very strong. Okay, so thank you everyone. Let us meet in the evening 7 p.m. session.